Over the last 6 months, I taught myself a skill from scratch, and it's actively making me money right now. I didn't pay a single dollar for a course, no degree, no boot camp, just an AI chatbot and a system I built myself. And here's the weird part, that same system is what told me what to learn in the first place. I didn't even have to figure that out on my own. If you've ever felt like you don't have time to learn anything new, or you buy courses and never finish them, this video's for you. We've all fallen into the same trap. We treat learning like collecting. One more course purchased, one more PDF saved, one more podcast episode queued up, and then we never actually implement any of it. There's a name for this: digital hoarding. You've got a mountain of information and 0 ounces of actual skill. So I figured, if AI is this powerful, why not turn it into my own personal skill coach? Let it interview me, let it teach me, and let it hold me accountable until I'm genuinely good at something. I call it the loop system. Loop stands for lock the target. Don't ask AI, let AI ask you. Own the material. Stop reading, start studying, operate fast. Use it within 48 hours. Prove it, teach it to someone. That's the only real test. 4 steps, 1 loop. The more you run it, the better you get. Let's break it down. Here's the first mistake most people make. They ask AI, what should I learn? Wait, and get back a generic answer because the AI doesn't actually know anything about them yet. Flip it. Let AI interview you instead. Here's the exact prompt I use. I want to learn a skill that will move my financial goals forward the fastest. Ask me questions about my current job, my free time, and my strengths first. Interview me before giving me any answers. Then give me 3 specific skill options that are realistic for my situation. And for each one, tell me how long it'll take and what the earning potential looks like. When AI starts asking you questions, answer honestly. If you feed it bad input, you'll get a bad recommendation and you'll waste time all over again. Once you get your list, pick one skill. The biggest mistake people make here is trying to learn 3 or 4 things at once and never going deep on any of them. Now here's what trips up most people. They read, they don't study. What's the difference? Reading is passive, studying is active. You're trying to extract something you can actually use. My personal rule, a 20-minute daily block. Every single day, exactly 20 minutes, one topic. Not more, not less. Because if you cram 2 hours into one day and then skip a week, your brain never builds a consistent pattern. 2 things I strictly follow. First, rewrite it in your own words. Whatever you learn, put it into your own language with your own example in a note. If you just copy someone else's exact wording, your brain tricks itself into thinking it already understands, when really that's just memory, not comprehension. Second, pull out one action item, not a whole chapter. At the end of every study session, ask yourself, what's today's one concrete takeaway I can try tomorrow? If you don't have an answer, you read. You didn't learn. Pro tip, if there's someone whose content you follow but who's never written a structured course, ask AI to analyze their public content and build you a mini curriculum based on it. It's free and a seriously underrated hack. If you're just watching this and haven't started your own loop yet, pause right now, pull out your phone, and send AI that interview prompt from step 1. Drop the skill it suggests in the comments. I'll personally reply to the best 5. Now let's get into the part where most people actually fail. Everything up to this point is theory. This step decides whether you actually change or not. The 48-hour rule, whatever you learn, and if you don't use it in a real situation within 48 hours, you'll forget it permanently. This isn't a motivation thing, it's brain science. New knowledge fades unless action reinforces it. So the moment you learn something, that same day or the next, put it on your calendar, not on a to-do list. To-do lists are where good intentions go to die. Real example, say you're learning copywriting and you just picked up the concept of hook writing. That same day, write 1 hook for something you're already posting. It doesn't have to be perfect. Movement beats motivation. Last step, and the most underrated one, teach it to someone. There's a well-known study, our researchers at Yale ran it, where people were asked, do you understand how a zipper works? Everyone said yes. Then they were asked to explain it, and most people completely fell apart. They thought they understood it, but they only had surface level familiarity. The exact same thing happens with skills. So whenever you learn something new, explain it to a friend, coworker, or family member. Have them repeat back what they understood in their own words. If their explanation matches what you meant to say, you genuinely learned it. If not, go back, find the gap, fix it. AI hack: if there's nobody around, type out or speak your explanation to AI and say, "Grade this explanation. Did I miss anything? Did I get anything wrong?" You'll get instant, judgment-free feedback. So remember, loop, lock, own, operate, prove. My rule of thumb is simple. If you can't use something within 48 hours, it's not worth learning right now. Just in time, not just in case. AI has permanently changed one thing. You no longer get to say, "I didn't have the time or money for a course." Every skill that could make you financially independent is now one prompt away from a free chatbot. Drop a comment. What skill are you going to learn with the Loop system in the next 30 days? If this video helped, hit subscribe. We drop systems like this every week to help you build your way out of the traditional 9 to 5. See you in the next one.